Welcome to Product Critique. Today, we're diving into one of the best 8x10 area rugs available, the befbee washable rug. Whether you're looking to refresh your living room, bedroom, or any high-traffic area, this rug promises style, functionality, and easy maintenance. This rug is crafted from high-quality microfiber with a super soft velvet surface, making it not only stylish but also comfortable for kids and pets. The befbee rug is treated to resist stains from spills like coffee, wine, or pet accidents, ensuring easy cleanup and long-lasting beauty. Equipped with a TPR latex backing, it stays securely in place, providing a safe environment for your family. Unlike traditional rugs, this one can be conveniently machine washed. Just toss it in on a gentle cycle for hassle-free maintenance. With its classic vintage look, it complements various decor styles from modern to traditional, adding a touch of elegance to any room. Available in multiple sizes including 8x10, it fits perfectly into different spaces, whether large or small. Why choose the befbee washable rug? If you're looking for an area rug that combines style, practicality, and durability, the befbee washable rug is a top contender. Its versatility and easy care make it ideal for busy households. In conclusion, the befbee washable rug stands out as one of the best 8x10 area rugs on the market today. Whether you're furnishing a new home or updating your current space, this rug offers the perfect blend of style and functionality. Don't forget to check the link in the description for more details and to make your purchase. Thanks for watching, and remember to subscribe to Product Critique for more insightful reviews.